guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. We just got a snowstorm, 3 inches, nothing, you know, but it's super cold. It's late January 2025, and I just got a brand new item to review. It's the Yeryork 15 amp cultivator tiller. It's electric and it's plug-in with a cord. Yes, the cord is very inconvenient and you can't really go very far away from a power source without a extremely long garden extension line that you plug into your wall, 110 AC. However, you sacrifice convenience for price. Battery operated ones will require a lot of voltage and very heavy, and it'll probably cost 2 to 3 times more than this. We're gonna unbox this and see what it looks like. So this is model YE003. It is super cold today, like 14 degrees. But you know what? I'm gonna try to get through this. So as you saw, super easy to put together. As you see, I didn't even open the instructions. It's very straightforward, common sense. Carriage bolts with these knobs to put the posts on. These 2 posts over here are exactly the same. You can't mess it up. You can do it either way, unidirectional. Over here, you have a little winch pin that you can lift, and you can adjust the height by pulling this. I don't see how you could ever till anything at this level. I mean, you gotta be what, like a small person to do this? I guess so. Small people have to do too. That seems okay to me. You can see that's the cultivator, tiller, electric. You plug it into a long extension cord. It has these things, these keeper guides that hold the wire in place so you don't get all tangled up like a web. These are all steel. What was a pain was over here they had this plastic wrap around it, right? They obviously put it on there, then they put the handles on, but you couldn't get it out without using a knife. So the plastic is used to protect the paint from shipping. But honestly, you have to get a knife or scissors or something. You'll probably damage it more trying to get the plastic off. I say leave the plastic off. So this housing is plastic. This shield is steel. The wheels are plastic, very easy to put on with a cotter pin. Put it on, washer, cotter pin, plastic hubcaps. So this is plastic. Over here, this is the trigger to start it. But you can't push it down unless you first push on the safety switch. Push the safety switch, then trigger. That's for safety. Make sure you don't cut your hand off. So that's your mini electric cultivator tiller. If you got a small garden or something like that, you don't want to buy super expensive gas ones or super expensive battery powered ones. This is for you. It'll get the job done. Got a small garden, all you need to do is loosen up the soil. Right here, the Yeryorks. Gotta come up with a better name. You can't even pronounce it very easily. It doesn't roll off your tongue, you know what I mean? Should I try it? It's 14 degrees. My ground is completely frozen. How am I gonna till? I'll show you how it works anyway. Just plug it into an extension cord. You may want to like put a rubber band here or tie it like this so it doesn't easily pull out. You know what I mean? I know you know what I mean. Yeah, see? see? Now you can't really pull it out, see? Anyway, so we just safety button, trigger. How about that, huh? That's actually a pretty good test because it tells you how strong the engine is, the motor, because look, it breaks up this solid ice over here. That's actually kind of useful for that. I don't like the cord, see? You can run over the cord. Just gotta be careful, that's all. Let's try this ice. This is an icebreaker too. So because it's a mini cultivator, it's very light. It's one hand. You can just take it. You can tell that the motor is very strong, right? To be able to chip that ice like that. Yeah, all right, nice. We were able to test it. You know, you could tell with the ice like that, man, that'll break through no problem in your dirt, no matter how deep it is or how hard your dirt is, you know what I mean? It'll definitely work. It didn't slip at all. It's just like pure power because it's powered into a 110 outlet. So it's got plenty of power, way more power than like a couple of batteries would do, you know? So really cool item. I don't like the fact that it's corded, but like I said, it's very inexpensive if you compare it to a gas or a battery powered cultivator. So this is small, lightweight, and obviously packs a pretty good punch. Really easy to put together. And this is from Yeryork's. 15 amp electric tiller cultivator. Powerful motor. I can vouch for that. 18-inch tilling width, 9-inch cutting depth, right? The depth. 6 heavy-duty steel tines, that it is. 4-position adjustable wheel, which I showed you how it can adjust to a small person to a large person. I'm like a medium guy, so that was fine. Setting number 3. If I had a small garden and it wasn't 15 degrees Fahrenheit today, I'd be using this to till my yard. If you guys are interested in something like this, I'll leave a link in the description. Go check it out yourself. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Subscribe. You're subscribed.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Subscribe.
Subscribe. Subscribe.
Subscribe. Subscribe to it.
It's me. Hi. We need you to donate $1 or $2.
Hit the subscribe button. It's free.
We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.